There is one more visual cue so that we can see what is going on within the sublayers while it's all together. Even within the camera view. That's nice. If you press K while hovering over anything, that will activate Show Strokes mode. You'll notice these subtle blue lines have appeared around the edges of everything. That is every piece of vector information, if you will. Anything with a vertice. Brushes, it'll appear around the edges. Pencil lines, it will appear through the middle. If I press K over here in the drawing view, you'll notice the same thing has happened. It will only activate it for the current sublayer. Notice as I cycle to other ones, it turns off. In fact, it has an independent control for each of the sublayers and independently of the drawing and camera view. Notice I'll turn it off in the drawing, it stays on in camera view. I'll go down to color out where it is on in drawing and not in camera. So I can move through each of these, turning the mode on and off specifically for what I'm hoping to work on.